We have the wash done, which was honestly the most extensive part, and that's not saying much. So the next step is to polish. Now we're doing a one-step polish and a wax, so nothing too extreme. I might not even break out the rotary polisher. Like I said in my other video, probably going to use this and see where that gets us. Now doing this entire boat with a 6.5 inch pad might be a lot, but we'll see. We're going to do a test spot, get out the scan grip light, and see what that looks like first, and then make a decision on if I want to use a light wool pad on a rotary or if I want to use that. So this boat's not in bad condition at all, as you saw, and there's not really much oxidation, so we'll see. So I think I'm gonna buy like 20 more of these pads specifically. It didn't get out the heavier scratches, which is not the goal of this one step. It is to get the light oxidation as well as clean it up, make it look really pretty.